Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your icons so that your iPhone can look aesthetically pleasing. Right now this is what my screen looks like. I look at it and it makes me happy. So I've downloaded the Canva app to show you as part of the tutorial on how to customize it so that it's aesthetically pleasing to look at. To do this, what I will also show you, my tips and tricks on how I went through my thought process. So I basically emptied out or cleared out my home screen so that I had a second to think about what I wanted to actually display and keep handy as well. So for this tutorial, I have, as I mentioned, I have the Canva icon. I'm going to go ahead and remove it by doing a long press on the icon itself. You bring up this menu. You click on Edit Home Screen so that we can remove the app from the home screen, but not from the device itself. So make sure you don't click on Remove App. Once you've clicked on Edit Home Screen, it will then bring up another screen that says rename or remove from home screen. Once you remove from home screen, it will, as the name states, will remove it from your home screen. And I go through this process so that I have this beautiful empty canvas. Now you can see that on the app library, that Canva app has been removed and placed. Gone over to Pinterest in this particular case, did a search for aesthetic icons, and I ended up on my Canva icon that I thought was pretty for me. And you can go through and you'll see there's plenty of aesthetic icons that are available. I went through, I have a little cute album that I saved from Pinterest in this case. I'll link all the links in the description box. So if you like any of them, feel free to go out there and, download it for yourself. Once I have gone out, downloaded, I will then click on the shortcut icon. Once I click on the shortcut icon, it brings up all my shortcuts. And then by clicking on the plus symbol on the top right, we will start creating our shortcut. And it will bring up your new shortcut window. You want to click on the three dots and bring up the detail screen. And on this screen, you want to name the shortcut. And I'm going to go ahead and name it CANVAA because we already have an app out there called Canva. And by naming this, you can find it. And on this screen, you will now decide to name your app, whatever you want to name it, that will display on the main screen of your phone and or device. And then I like to keep my screen clean so I don't name it anything because I'll have an icon app that will show me. So I choose my Canva, and I think I'm going to go ahead and choose the other Canva because it'll go better with my theme a little bit better. And then I'm going to click on Add on the top right corner, and it gets added to my home screen. But before I leave, I need to give an action to this app. So we're going to back on the Canva. We're going to click on Add Action. The goal is to open the app. So you click on Open Apps, and then you click on Open Apps. Sorry, somehow I'm just like stuttering over here. And now you can say Choose, and then you type in Canva and select Canva. And now you can click Done. Come out of Shortcuts. And once you come out of Shortcuts, you will then see the app on your home screen. Voila! Next, we're going to go ahead and add some widgets. Those pretty pictures or the saying or the calendar. To do that, you click on the blue icon with the blue neon square, and you can download that from the App Store. And once you click on that, it will bring you to the main screen for WidgetSmith. It has small widgets, medium widgets, large widgets, and you see that I've already played with some, but we're going to go ahead and customize one with a cute saying. So we're going to click on Add Widget or Add Medium Widget. Click on the widget itself, the calendar. For some reason it displays the calendar first, so we go ahead and do that. And then we click on the calendar again. Oh, and before we do that, let's name it. So I'm going to say something, I don't know, reminder. And then we're going to go ahead and click on it. Then we're going to click on the calendar symbol, and then you can scroll through the different styles. And I'm going to have a custom text. So I'm going to click on your text here for the custom text, and then I'm going to pick aesthetic theme, and I'm going to go with the powder theme to keep in line with my theme that I have going, the pink and beige. And then I'm going to customize my text by clicking on the text. And then I want to remove the default text that they have. And let's see, wake up, workout, I think might be a good one for the next one. And then kick some ass, because we want to do that every day. And then we definitely want to repeat that. Once you're happy with your saying, you're going to go ahead and click on it looks like it's a back button, but it actually does save it on the default screen. You're going to click on the blue arrow at the top left, and then once you click on the blue arrow on the top left, you are there. And just if you want to scroll through, you can also pick other widgets, but you would have to create one per widget. And then once you're done over here, we're going to go ahead and place this widget on the home screen. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and save, and then we're going to come out of WidgetSmith, and we're going to click on the blank screen in this case, just so you can see it. Long press will bring the plus button on the top left, and then there I am doing yoga, haha. And then we're going to go ahead and look for WidgetSmith, the app itself. And then because it was a medium one, we're going to click on plus add widget, and there you go. There's your widget. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy. And if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Leave a comment in the description box. I would love to hear. And please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll be posting a video on how to create your own apps.